There is nasty shit. Nature. You gotta love it. That goes all the way from him, and it just keeps on going. This shit is literally all over my house. I want to get it when they're both their eyes and everything was out. I don't know. I really don't know what's going on. I'm sure that it was mating, because look at this nastiness. It goes all the way down. They slimed, one slimed up, one slimed down. He's like, yeah, got me some. I'm out of here now. I'm guessing that's probably the female. I don't really know. Just don't know. But here's what they do after a week or two. See all them spots? All that nasty shit all over the side? This is slugs.